It's absolutely freezing outside. I'm walking along the train to the very last car, which happens to be mine. Let you know how it goes, but that's the train, that's my train. Super interesting so far. Roomettes, you come in. This one's mine, room number 7. They have curtains. And a sliding glass door. The door locks from the inside and then you can close the curtain so it's super private. They have a mirror so you can get ready. And then it actually folds down into, these turn into 2 different seats. But right now it's laid down into a bed. So you can get rid of the bed and it turns into 2 seats with a little table in between. Or you can have the bed down. And then there's a bed on top too if you want to have the seats down on the bottom and then just use the bed on top. They had it stocked with water. Each one is temperature controlled, has a reading light and an outlet. And then on this side you can control the light for the room. There's even a little closet so you can hang up your clothes. Super impressed with how compact everything is on the train. Even the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. They got a mirror. And there's the little sink. They put the paper towels up above it under the mirror. Soap. There's the toilet, but the flush button is right there. They have Kleenexes, a trash can. You can lock the door and the light lights up to let people know you're inside. And they even have like toilet seat covers and stuff. Like, that's amazing how they engineer this stuff. Check it out. The doors between the cabins. What? The views are getting much prettier the closer we get to California. Super, super happy to be out of the desert, finally.